Hi everyone, my name is Mike Mello, broker associate co-owner at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm here today with Stacy, who's also a realtor at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. We're in Ocala Preserve, which is in Ocala, just south of Gainesville. We're going to show you this home behind us. The home behind us is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 2,034 square feet of living. Now, if you're interested in this home, they have 3 inventory homes available right now in the range of $345,000 to $350,000. So not bad for February 2023. Of course, if you're watching this in February of 2033, the prices are going to be quite a bit higher. So make sure you contact us whenever you watch this video and we can get you the updated pricing. So this is the first time that Stacy's going to do a walkthrough. She's a great realtor with lots of experience here in Ocala. First time on video. So Stacy, take us on a tour of the home.
Okay, Mike, let me do that. Okay, so we're going to start with the garage here. We've got a 2-car garage on this home. It has a landscaping package. Of course, if you move into this house, all that landscaping will be gone and you'll have yourself a driveway here. We've got coach lighting on both sides of the garage. Covered entryway. They do have brick accents on the house here. And we have this covered entryway, and we're going to go inside to the house now and check it out. Hi there, so welcome into this lovely home. I am in the foyer here. You can see we have tile flooring. On the walls, they have upgraded. Your standard house will not come with the moldings that they have here, but for simple process, you can do these upgrades yourself as well. So we're gonna start over here in the bedrooms, and we've got bedroom number 2 right here. Nice size room with lots of natural lighting, obviously room for your bed, some furniture, and you've got a closet there. We've got 2 storage linen closets in the hallway here, kind of like almost like a Jack and Jill type of setup, but 1 linen here, and there's a second on the other side. This is the shared bathroom for the bedrooms and the main house. Nice cabinetry, white with the accent of a gray solid surface countertop. Got your standard mirrors, toilet and tub. Got high ceilings in here and tile extended up, gives you a feeling of a nice big room. Second linen closet's right here. Bedroom number 3. They've also done upgraded moldings on these walls, something you could choose to do afterwards. It's not standard with the house. Lots of natural light, room for your bedroom, and of course a closet. All right, so we're gonna proceed over to the other side of the hallway here. There is access to your garage here. You wanna just take a look and see, you got a lot of space there. Get in and out of your car and store your stuff. All right, laundry room. This is a pretty modest laundry room, but with a little creativity, put some shelves up, spot for your linen basket, and you've got all you need. Bedroom number 4 right here. They're currently using it as an office, obviously, but nice size room, can fit a big bed in here, and you've got your closet, and again, lots of natural light. That's my big thing. All right, back into the entryway. So Haley, who's filming this, is actually standing where I just walked in. So when you walk in, this is kind of the image you're going to see. Kind of get a broad view of the whole house, looking straight out to the backyard. Again, lots of natural light and big sliders out there. So let's proceed into our main living space, which is kind of a combined space, living room, kitchen, eating area. And we'll start over here in the living room. They once again have done some upgrading with moldings. Standard houses will not have that, but a lot of room here, as you can see, for your television entertainment. It's all directed towards the kitchen where you spend most of your time anyway. So nice and convenient. Tile flooring. When we get into the kitchen, we've got more solid surface countertop, nice big island, fit at least 3 people at it. Countertops, again, contrast, consistent throughout the house. White countertops, white cabinets, gray countertops, nice contrast. You've got your range, your microwave, a nice size walk-in closet here for your pantry, not walk-in closet. And then, of course, your refrigerator over here. Okay. We have a seating area here, your dining area. In this house, seats 6 comfortably. If you wanted to expand, you've got lots of room over there too to expand. Nice view with big windows looking out. Windows here providing natural light as well. This is a very active adult community here. They do have housing if you're below 55, so that is an option, but they have tons of outside activities from boating, fishing, hiking, and of course golfing, one of the favorites, and a really nice clubhouse with a great restaurant here. So let's proceed to the master bedroom. In here you can see the carpeting that they use. All the bedrooms do have carpeting tiled throughout the rest of the house. They have again done upgraded molding here. Pretty simple, but something you could do down the road if you'd like to for probably a fairly nominal fee. Lots of room in here, got a king size bed, plenty of room for all of your furniture. Again, lots of big windows and natural light. 2 closets, I call them the hers and hers. Lots of room for your stuff. And actually, I think they're even sized, so he actually gets his share of closet in this house. All right, and then the master ensuite bath, we've got that same consistent white cabinetry with the gray countertops, dual sinks, large mirror, and a walk-in shower with a little seat on the end. And then of course your wash closet is right here. All right, this is Stacy Raish. If you have any needs for real estate in Central Florida, please feel free to give a call, 407-487-3030. Thank you.